Just want to show some new stuff for CLIPitc, a couple things that have been worked on recently. So in the report section, if we go to the custom reports, we've added the facts and the customer source. So if you go to this list, you can now see that the customer.facts and the customer.source are there. So if you're trying to generate a marketing report, figure out where your leads or your customers are coming from, you can use those fields in custom report to do so. Next, we've added the taxable option to the pattern section. So if you go to pattern customers, click edit, you'll see that now the tax rate shows. So you can set that up for your pattern customers. Another thing that we've added is the bill type under the edit job section. So if you go down to edit jobs, it'll give you a listing of all the jobs for this customer. And if you want to, you can change the bill type inside of here, click save, and it'll make that change just in a quicker way than going into each individual job and changing the information there. We've also added a button to import customers from QuickBooks Desktop. As well as some more information in the message customer section. So if you want to send a customer an invoice email, you can select the different invoices. The green ones are the paid ones. An unpaid invoice will show the status along with showing up in red. We also made it so that when editing a program, you have the option to change the square footage, and it will automatically update the material quantity if it's based on the square footage. So if I update this area to 5,000, then it will recalculate any materials that are marked as calculate quantity based on area for that 5,000 square footage now for all of the rounds that were under that program. We also added the job square footage area to the job costing report to Excel. So if we go to the job cost report to Excel, you'll notice that there's now a job area column. And that's it for this video. Thanks for being our customer.